Did you know your dishwasher has a filter? When's the last time you checked it? Do you have one of those really cool dishwashing detergents that takes everything off the plate? Well, guess where that goes? Yeah, goes into the filter that's in your dishwasher. So oftentimes down in the bottom, you'll see a round little lid, a little top piece. It twists, usually just a small turn, and pops out. So for those who pre-wash your dishes, there's less food in the dishwasher, which means that filter will fill up far less frequent. But for those that maybe have a stronger detergent that takes food off of the dishes, it's going to be collected in that filter. So depending on how you wash your dishes, this filter may need to be cleaned out more frequently or less frequently. But take a look. See where the filter is in your dishwasher and what it looks like. Keep an eye on it. Maybe you need to take a look at it every week. Maybe you need to take a look at it every couple of months. But get to know the dishwasher filter and where it is so you know how to keep it clean.